what's up guys? My name is Bryce Garland. I've been playing drums for over 10 years now. I currently play in a metalcore band called Saints Can Lie, and I'm also working on my first ever solo music. Currently I play on the Collision 5B and 2B stick sizes due to my background in marching band, and I play a lot of heavy music. I chose Collision Drumsticks because of their attention to detail, their communication skills, and because it's a brand built by drummers for drummers. But the best part by far is the community. I'm excited to be part of the Collision Drumsticks family and brand, and I hope you enjoy my playthrough of Chiral by Aesop.